7 ways to make money with AI. Artificial intelligence, AI. It's such a hot topic these days that many people are wondering how to make money from AI. The public launch of the uber-popular ChatGPT and the growing investment by businesses to harness AI technology are creating a media frenzy. While many worry that AI might eventually take their jobs, others want to harness its power to make money. Following are 7 ways to potentially cash in on AI. 1. Generate written AI content. Generative AI programs like ChatGPT enable anyone to generate written content quickly. It can assist with writing content for blog posts, website copy, sales copy for businesses, sponsored social media posts, and more. AI can assist with developing an outline, generating paragraphs, and brainstorming ideas, and can even write entire pieces of content. The technology can help freelance writers produce more content by assisting them with getting past writer's block to write faster. More advanced AI tools, like Jasper.ai, can help anyone create professional sales copy. You can generate copy for emails, marketing landing pages, and advertisements. AI can also help develop scripts for videos or speeches, ebooks, workbooks, and more. You can offer these copywriting services to clients and make money producing AI-generated written content. Many AI tools used for content creation already have some built-in templates, so one won't have to start from scratch to create some good content. You can easily create blog posts with great and relatable pictures, newsletters, ebooks, and great travel itineraries, which make a lot of money in the market. Once you master the AI technologies and software used for content creation, you can set up your article creating agency and get hired by people to write for them. Believe us, it is worth a lot of money. It's not only limited to blogs, but it also demands content creation for YouTube vloggers who would pay you to write the script for their next content. And you can get paid in various ways for it. One is money, and you can get them to give you free promotion. 2. Create AI-generated art. AI tools like DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney enable anyone to create prompts that generate images. The more detailed a prompt you give the AI, the better the images it can generate. Sites like PromptBase allow you to list and sell these prompts, as well as find and create them. You can also make NFTs of your art and sell them or turn your AI-generated art into a meme you monetize. Your AI-generated art could even be made into physical products you sell, like t-shirts, wall art, or decorations. 3. Create YouTube videos. AI tools allow anyone to create videos for YouTube so they can promote or sell a product or service. ChatGPT can generate video ideas and scripts, and the program has a text-to-speech feature for creating a voiceover for the video. Meanwhile, you can use programs like Synthesia to generate videos to upload on YouTube. If you create evergreen videos, those with content that will remain relevant, they can generate recurring passive income from ad revenue or affiliate links embedded within the video. 4. Make AI-generated digital visual products. You can also use AI to help generate many types of digital visual content, like digital ads for websites, business logos, and marketing materials. Tools like AidCreative allow you to make commercials and social content with AI that you can sell to businesses. Pitch decks are another type of digital visual content you can produce with the help of AI. They are a series of slides that help startup companies tell their stories to investors and potential business partners. AI tools like ChatGPT and Tom can help creators produce pitch decks more quickly for clients, which they can find on freelance sites like F.I.R.E, F.I.R.E 6.36% or Upwork, UPWK 0.42%. 5. Build websites. AI tools can help you build websites. You can build websites for small business clients or create them for yourself to produce income from affiliated marketing, ads, or subscription sales. Website building tools like Wix.com, NoAX 3.2%, can help anyone create a professional-looking website through templates or Wix Artificial Design Intelligence, ADI. You can quickly create websites for clients or build them to sell your products or promote affiliate marketing links. 6. Generate audio AI content. AI can help create many types of audio content through text-to-speech functions. You can use AI prompts to write a script for an audiobook, and then a text-to-speech creator to generate the audio for the book. AI tools can also help translate videos or written content into a different language. For example, Nova AI software allows you to translate and add subtitles to a video. You can provide video creators with translation services through freelance sites like Upwork and F.I.R.E. You can also use text-to-speech tools to translate written content into an audio format or to convert written text into audio for the visually impaired. 7. Create online courses. You can use AI software to help create online courses you sell, including those teaching others how to use AI. Artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas and topics and develop course materials. AI tools can help you create videos, generate a script, and use a text-to-speech tool to record voiceover lessons and create other course materials. AI can also help you put together materials to market and sell your online courses to customers. Can you make money with AI? You can make money with AI. It can help anyone create content like blog posts, videos, and online courses that you can sell to companies or through online platforms to generate income. You can start with the AI tools used to create content. Learn the best prompts to develop high-quality content, and determine the best ways to monetize your AI-produced content or services. However, because anyone can use AI to create content, you must differentiate yourself from the competition to make money with AI. That could mean focusing on a specific niche, developing your own personal brand and voice, providing top-notch services to clients, and humanizing your content. Make sure to click the bell icon and join our community by subscribing to stay linked for future captivating content.